Prophecy Confirmation. Indeed, when the servant of God speaks, the wise listen.
During the Sunday service on the 13th of November 2022, the man of God, Apostle Ali LUKUMBA, gave a word of prophecy concerning the nation Zambia. These were his words.
Let us pray for Southern Lusaka Central. We need to expect floods, fields being destroyed by this floods, this rain. Go up normal and above normal rains. I said it this October, and God is showing me again. It is well.
Amen.
It is well. God will see us through.
Amen.
This is the place where I stay in Namwala. Look, my house has submerged in water. Look at it. No two ways about it. Everything has been destroyed. All the house properties have been destroyed. Look at the car. It is being submerged in water. Look all this. Look at it, guys. This is what we call the disaster in Namwala. Because of poor drainages, we have got no drainages in Namwala. So look at the houses. This is near the tarmac. There are no drainages, and look at what has happened. The house is submerging in water. The vehicles, everything being submerged in water.